Transferred YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the property number 2, which is proof product of roots is unity. We have three roots, 1, minus 1 plus 100 minus 3 divided by 2, and this. We have to solve it. We are going to take the product and we will say that it is equal to the unity 1. Or either you can write here omega square 1. Omega square 1. This 1 is also the root and is equals to 1. You can write here like this. So simply 1 you can keep aside. Then you are going to multiply here both ways. So simply 1 square and minus 1 square, then minus under root minus 3 square. You know how I am doing a plus b, a minus b. This is the formula of this question or statement, that a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Then divided by 2 2s are 2 square is 4 and this 0. Then 1 is same. Then 1 and minus 1 is plus. This is 3 divided by 4. Next, just see 1 would be the same. So 4 divided by 4, 1 plus 3. Then just see 1 and this is also 1. Answer is 1.